Imagine this, you wake up, check your Shopify analytics and see something unbelievable. 100 add to carts, 100 checkouts and 100 conversions. Absolute perfection. But let's be real, that never happens because customers aren't robots, they hesitate, they get distracted, they abandon carts. And every single time that happens, you're losing money. And here's the real problem. Marketing is more expensive than ever. A few years ago, you could throw money at ads and still turn a profit. But today, margins are shrinking, CPMs are rising, and every visitor you don't convert is a wasted opportunity. That's why smart brands aren't just focusing on getting more traffic, they're focusing on getting more revenue from the traffic they already have. I've worked with over 1,000 Shopify brands in the past year alone, and I've seen firsthand which cart recovery strategy actually moved the needle, and which one are just hype. In this video, I'm breaking down 6 proven hacks that brands are using right now to recover lost sales and turn hesitant shoppers into paying customers without spending an extra dollar on ads. If you want to stop losing money and start squeezing every possible dollar from your store, you need to watch this until the end because every single hack can be the winner you're looking for. Let's dive in. Hack number 1, build trust with a chat bubble. Ever landed on a website that felt empty, basically dead? No chat, no way to ask questions, just a lifeless product page? Feels kind of sketchy, right? Now, think about the last time you visited a site with a chat bubble in the corner. Even if you didn't use it, it probably made your brand feel more legitimate, more active, more real, and definitely more accessible. That's because humans are wired to trust signs of life. When we see a store that looks interactive, like someone is actually there, we subconsciously assume it's more reliable. A simple chat bubble taps into this psychology. It signals that this brand is real, that someone is actually there to help if needed, just like in a real shop, and that I can trust this store with my hard-earned money. And here's the kicker. You don't even need visitors to actually use the chat for it to work. Just its presence, it makes them more comfortable to pull out their credit card. If your store doesn't have a chat bubble, it's missing one of the easiest trust signals in e-commerce. Hack number 2, proactively answer pre-purchase questions instantly. Why do people abandon carts? Because they have questions about sizing, shipping, return policy, blah, 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 but they don't ask. They just leave forever. And here's the thing, super rated customers will wait for answers, potential buyers won't. If someone needs a refund or has a post-purchase issue, they'll wait minutes or even hours for a response. But someone debating a purchase, they're impatient. They need instant reassurance or they're not. Stat alert. A study by the Weimar Institute found that 58.6% of cart abandonments happen because of unexpected cost, lack of trust, or unanswered doubts. What does this mean? If you're only answering pre-purchase questions when customers manually reach out to a live agent or to your customer service and you let them wait for minutes or even hours, you're too late. The fix: remove friction in real time. Instead of waiting for customers to contact support, make sure their doubts are answered before they're even thinking about leaving. Imagine a visitor hesitating on your product page for 30 seconds. That's a trigger. They're probably thinking, will this fit me? How long is the shipping? What's the return policy? If they don't get an answer instantly, they abandon the cart. But if they do, they buy immediately. So a simple pre-purchase answer at the right moment can be the difference between a sale and a lost customer. How can you do that? As simple as adding Zipshot AI app to your store and set proactive campaigns that engage a hesitant shopper. The AI will understand their doubts and generate relevant questions and answer in seconds, keeping the customer excited about the purchase 24/7 in any language. The takeaway: use AI to answer buying doubts instantly or watch potential customers disappear forever. Before continuing, if you found this strategy helpful and you're excited about the next 4, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We drop powerful data-backed e-commerce growth hacks every week and you don't want to miss what's coming next. Hack number 3, collect emails with a quick discount without killing the buying experience. Most visitors won't buy on their first visit. That's just reality. In fact, studies from the Weimar Institute show that on average 69.99% of all online shopping carts are abandoned. That means for every 10 people adding products to their cart, only 3 actually complete the purchase. And the solution is not the already seen 2,000 times plus 10% off pop-ups. You're just about to check out a product and boom, a giant pop-up covers the screen demanding your email in exchange for a discount. Guess what? Most shoppers hate this. I personally hate this. Studies from Sleeknote show that pop-ups have an average conversion rate of just 3%. Worse, they often interrupt the buying flow, making people more likely to leave rather than stay. But there's a better way to collect emails. Instead of throwing a pop-up in their face, let a small proactive message ask whether they want a 10% off the product they're looking at. After 15 to 20 seconds, they are on that page. When they click, the AI agent will collect their email address and send it to Klaviyo or whatever other marketing automation software you use. Why this works better than traditional pop-ups? First, no disruption. Instead of pulling them away from their shopping experience, the chat feels like an organic part of the store, like an assistant in an offline shop. Second, micro-commitment effect. When a visitor voluntarily opens the chat and types their email, they're mentally more engaged in the process, meaning that they're more likely to use the discount and buy. Third, loss aversion. Once they've claimed the discount by themselves with a proactive action, their brain registers it as something they own. If they don't use it, they're losing something of value, which makes them more likely to complete the purchase. Last but not least, the power of conversation. Unlike pop-ups, which just collect an email and disappear, a chat lets you immediately continue the interaction and help the customer make a decision. So imagine this, you're browsing a product page, after 20 seconds a product message says something like this. Hey, looks like you're interested in whatever product name, want 10% off, open the chat. Once open, the form asks you your email in exchange of a 10% off. After submitting, you instantly receive your discount code and the chat also asks, by the way, do you have any specific question about product name? Now, two important and powerful things have been done. First one, your email has been captured, so the brand can follow up with you about abandoned cart reminders or whatever future promotion. And second, they started a live, real-time, AI-generated conversation that can overcome your doubts and guide you toward the right product. And even if you don't buy right away, you've locked in the system. By applying this strategy with email sequences and retargeting, you can basically bring back any customer that got lost in the way. Pro tip, combine this with Klaviyo automation and you'll recover more lost sales than ever. Hack number 4, offer a quick discount if they stay on the cart page too long. This is a simple variation of the previous one. As said, customers hesitate, it's normal, and they don't do this just on the product page, but also on the cart and checkout pages. Your job, give them the final push that make them enter the credit card details. So what you can do here is to trigger a proactive message if they spend too much time on that pages. Still thinking? Here's a 5% off if you complete your order in the next 5 minutes. The urgency plus the discount, that's the perfect combo to seal the sale. If they have any doubts stopping them, the chat also gives them a direct way to ask. No delays, no friction. Test this strategy and watch your conversion skyrocket. Hack number 5, AI WhatsApp cart recovery campaigns, my number 1 favorite hack. Every single day I see thousands of sales recovered just from this strategy alone. The brands we work with are pulling insane ROI, and once you understand why, you never rely on emails alone again. The problem with emails? People ignore them. Emails has one massive flaw, low open rates. No matter how good your offer is, if the email never gets read, it's useless. WhatsApp, on the other hand, 98% open rates, 90% of messages read within 3 minutes, higher engagement equals higher conversion rates. Why WhatsApp recovery works? First, pattern disruption. Most people expect abandoned cart emails, they're just used to them. But getting a personalized message on WhatsApp, that grabs their attention instantly. Second, instant gratification and urgency. A message like, hey Marco, you left this amazing shirt in your cart, here's a little thank you, 10% off if you complete your order in the next hour, creates urgency and the fear of missing out, making them way more likely to buy. Last, the Zeigarnik effect. People are psychologically wired to complete unfinished tasks. When they get a reminder about an abandoned cart, their brain naturally wants to close the loop. And here's the best part, it's 100% AI powered. This isn't just a simple remind message or a sequence that you have to spend weeks working on, understanding the different paths that conversation can take. This is a fully AI-driven campaign that does all the heavy lifting for you. In fact, the AI automatically sends the recovery message when a cart is abandoned. If the customer replies with a question, the AI chatbot handles the conversation instantly. And if needed, your team can jump in manually. But in most cases, the AI closes the sales by itself. And the ROI is just insane. On average, for every $1 spent on WhatsApp marketing, brands are seeing a $60 plus return. That's why this is my favorite hack. It's effortless, scalable, and converts like crazy, all by taking just a few minutes to set up. If you're still relying on email alone to recover abandoned carts, you're leaving serious money on the table. Hack number 6, collect more reviews the smart way. People don't trust brands, they trust buyers. So if you're not collecting and showing reviews near your add to cart button, you're leaving money on the table. But here's the problem. Most brands ask for reviews via email, and those emails get ignored, so it takes long to build a massive review board to show off. But thanks to AI plus WhatsApp, you can leverage the 98% plus open rates we were talking about and get 100% automatic reviews. Example, hey Marco, it's John from brand. Hope you're loving the shirt. We'd love to hear your thoughts. First of all, I want to offer you a 20% off your next order, and second, I'd love to ask you for a quick review. What do you think? This does 3 things. It gets more reviews because people actually open WhatsApp, read the message, and love the human approach. Second, it keeps customers engaged with your brand by stimulating conversation that feels natural and from a customer care that really cares. And then it drives repeat sales, because who doesn't love an additional discount? Moreover, more reviews equal more trust, which equals more conversions. As simple as that. Before we wrap up, if you found this strategy helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We drop powerful data-backed e-commerce growth hacks every single week, and you don't want to miss what's coming next. Plus, your support helps us keep bringing you free, high-value content, so make sure to smash that like button and turn on notifications. There you have it, 6 insanely effective hacks that can recover thousands of dollars in lost sales without spending a dime more on ads. And the best part, every single one of these strategies is fast, easy, and cost-effective to implement. With Zipchat AI, you can have all of these up and running in minutes. The AI is smart, fast, and easy to train, and we make sure you're set up for success. When you sign up, you'll get a 7-day free trial, a 30-day money-back guarantee, and a free onboarding call where we personally help you optimize everything, so it's completely risk-free. And here's the special bonus for you. You can use the code YouTube10 at checkout to get a 10% off of every plan forever. So don't let visitors slip away, turn them into customers with the power of AI. Click the link below, get started with Zipchat, and start recovering lost sales today.